Here.
Oh, mali naman ang pinirmahan mo. Kliyente dapat ang pipirma dito sa space na to.
I'm sorry. Sige. Magpapagawa na lang ako ng bagong draft sa assistant ko.
Irene, what's wrong? Kanina ka pa hindi makafocus.
Look, I'm sorry, okay? I've been really stressed lately. Napuyat ako kagabi, tapos maaga ako nagising para puntahan si TJ. And then, kailangan ko pa magmadaling para asikusuhin yung business natin. Nakaka-stress.
Ikaw kasi, pinili-pili mo pang tulungan ng ex mo. Yan tuloy, it's taking its toll on you.
Eunice, pwede ba? Huwag mo na akong sisihin. Andito na to eh. Nakakommit na ako sa kanila. Tsaka, nakakatulong din naman kay TJ.
Nakakatulong ba talaga? Eh, you're his temptation. What if he's gonna seduce you again? What's gonna happen?
Hindi naman siguro mangyayari yun. I-distract ko na lang siya. Or something.
Paano?
Hindi ko alam. Lalasingin ko na lang siya para makatulog agad. But I can't do that because he's sick. I don't know what to do.
Alam ko na. Maybe you can give him something to lower his sex drive. May nabasa kasi ako on some website that there's some types of food that lowers libido. So maybe you can try it on TJ.